An alarm company fails to update its customer information, delaying a call to the fire department when a fire breaks out in a customer's home. Is the alarm company responsible for harm suffered by a firefighter battling the blaze? Find out in Edwards versus Honeywell. The Bakers installed an alarm system made by Honeywell in their home and subscribed to Honeywell's monitoring service. One afternoon, a fire broke out in the Bakers' basement. Before fleeing to safety, Mrs. Baker pushed the fire button on the alarm system's control panel. Honeywell's dispatcher received the signal and accessed the Bakers' account information. The information was incorrect, causing the dispatcher to call the wrong fire department. The call was transferred twice before it reached the correct fire department, resulting in a delay of more than 3 minutes. When firefighters reached the Bakers' home, the fire had weakened the floor. Firefighter David Edwards was killed when the floor collapsed underneath him, causing him to fall into the basement. Edwards' widow sued Honeywell in state court, alleging that Honeywell's negligent failure to update its subscriber information had caused Edwards' death. The case was removed to federal district court, which granted summary judgment for Honeywell. Edwards' widow appealed to the Seventh Circuit.